What's happening, guys? Today we're going to be doing something a little different. It's a viewer requested video on how to make soap out of pine tar. Pine tar soap, like this bar I bought at the supermarket, is a masculine soap marketed for real men. But it's also supposed to be great with moisturizing powers. This soap in particular, though, smells like a campfire, and it's really more of a scent I'd rather get off of my body than to put back on it. So today we're going to try to be making our own. The first thing we need is the secret ingredient and the star of the show, the pine tar. I searched for minutes on the internet and I came up with this. Horse hoof moisturizer, but I guess we'll disregard that little note there. But yeah, it just so happens to be 100% pine tar, so it's perfect. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. Oh, wow. Oh. It smells like the inside of a tire or an ashtray at a Bass Pro Shop. It's really thick. Let's see if I can even scoop any. Look at that. Well, this is going to be interesting, you guys. Alright, well, we're just going to put you right over here. Without further delay, I guess let's get started. We'll put you back in your box for later. Here's the recipe I printed out. It'll be showing up on your screen right about now. I'm stalling you guys because, like, what do I do with this? Like, look at it. Ugh. Okay. Alright. We have our lard measured out, our olive oil, our coconut oil, and our pine tar all ready to go. I also mixed the lye and the water together outside and let them sit for 5 minutes until it turned clear. Brought it back in to let it cool off, and it's just gonna sit here and do its thing for a little bit. We got our stick blender, probably need our spatula, and our mold is ready. Lard's in there. Now we'll add our olive oil. Put in our coconut oil. Carefully. Don't want to splash it. Try to be as precise as possible. And we're actually going to save our pine tar until the very end because it's really nasty. If you add it early, it'll make the soap harden almost instantly and mess up. So we're saving this as the very last thing we're adding in. Now that we have all the oils in the bowl, we need to go ahead and make sure they're all liquid. So we're going to microwave it for about 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes in the microwave. Any of the last stubborn clumps here you can just break up with your stick blender. Once the oil mixture and the distilled water are down below 100 degrees, you can go ahead and start the soap making process. The next part's gonna go really fast, so make sure you have everything ready. All right, here we go. Go ahead and set that aside. Now we'll just focus on our soap mixture here. Alright, we're starting to see just a tiny bit of trace happening. So I'm going to go ahead and add my fragrance oil now. Here we go. Alright, and the moment we've all been waiting for, the pine tar. It looks like the villain from Fern Gully. It's really thick and dark and gross. Is this what men want? Got some of it. Gotta move kinda quickly. Maybe a solo cup wasn't the best option, but it's what I had laying around. I'm gonna have to throw out this spatula, I feel like. Possibly this batch of soap. We're gonna call that 10%. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. See what happens. Here we go. Got that all over me. Okay. We're gonna pour it in our mold here before it hardens up. This nice mocha colored soap. Definitely right when I put in the pine tar, it started solidifying at a much rapider rate. And alright, there you have it. Pine tar soap. We're gonna let it dry overnight, and then we'll check on it tomorrow and see how it came out. And just like that, 24 hours has passed. We're gonna take the soap out of the mold, cut it into our bars, and see how good it came out. Let's do it. It smells wonderful. Like brown sugar. I don't know. It smells like a blue mint, if you will. Alright. Beautiful. And look at that cross section. It looks beautiful. Smells wonderful. And let's just compare this to our bought bar. And look at that. I think we recreated it. Beautiful pine tar soap, only this soap smells nice, not like a campfire.
Once the soap is cut, arrange it on a closet shelf and leave it to cure for 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, the soap is ready to enjoy. That's all I have for y'all today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great soap recipes. I'll see you on the next one. As always, thanks for watching.